अंदू GFDCच्या आंतर केंद्र रायझिंग स्टार्स फुटबॉल महोत्सवाक 5 वर्सां जातात। हातूंत 34 कोचिंग केंद्रांतले 1,500 ट्रेनी भुरगे वांटो घेतले। महोत्सवाचे अनावरण बुधवारा जालें।
Very happy today to virtually inaugurate the inter-center component of the 5th Rising Stars Football Tournament conducted by Goa Football Development Council. Already had the intra-center part of the tournament where 4,100 trainees took part. And from every center, we have today in front of us the champion and runners-up of the various centers in their different categories, under 12, under 10.
We are going to have few vacancies in the residential academy, and those vacancies we will fill from the best among all of you.
मुरगांव एज्युकेशन सोसायटीन US ओपन ज्युनियर स्क्वॉश चॅम्पियन यश फट्टेचो भोवमान केलो। शिक्षणा बरोबर खेळय महत्वाचो म्हूण उद्देजक नाना बांदेकार उलयला।
In India, sports are always ranked below academics, and we see more as a hobby than professional, and thus are not integrated with the formal education. Unlike America, where most of the parents make it a point to attend a basketball game or a soccer game match for their children, most parents in India try to discourage children from taking sports too seriously. The success of young Yash has to be seen in the context of all these, and then you will realize why it is being extremely important, not only for Yash, but for the entire sporting fraternity in Goa and India.
I only had one thing. I wasn't thinking of anything except that, if I win this tournament, I'm going to be the first Indian to do that. So that was the only thing which was in my mind. I think that's it. Then yes, so that's what After I won every point, or after if I even lost a point, I would be like, no, you can't give up. You've reached all the way here. You have to go through.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।